हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लैंडमार्क होम्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज लेंगे हम अपडेट एक न्यू लॉन्च का, जो कि पिछले ही महीने हुआ था प्राइड वर्ल्ड सिटी के अंदर, जिसका नाम है वेलिंगटन। तो पहला फेज कंप्लीटली सोल्ड आउट है, अभी बुकिंग ओपन है सेकेंड फेज का। तो सेकेंड फेज के बुकिंग के लिए या तो भी साइट विजिट के लिए दिए गए नंबर पे आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं। तो जो पहली बार हमारे ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स, मैंने इसका सैंपल फ्लैट बना रखा है और लिंक में भी, डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिंक में भी मैंने दे रखे हैं सैंपल फ्लैट के वीडियोस, आप जरूर देखें। तो चलिए चल के मिलते हैं मिस्टर विकास से, प्राइड वर्ल्ड सिटी से लेंगे और इन्फॉर्मेशन उनसे। थैंक यू। स्वागत है आपका लैंडमार्क होम्स पे। प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, शेयर करना, लाइक करना ना भूलें। तो आज हम मिलने वाले हैं मिस्टर विकास से फ्रॉम प्राइड वर्ल्ड सिटी और जानने वाले हैं वेलिंगटन का फेज 1 जो कि सोल्ड आउट हो गया 30 डेज में। तो समझेंगे हम इसको और डिटेल्स में। कांग्रेचुलेशंस,
थैंक यू सो मच।
30 डेज में पूरा प्रोजेक्ट का फर्स्ट फेज सोल्ड आउट।
यस,
थोड़ा बताएंगे मतलब क्या यूएसबी है इस प्रोजेक्ट का?
Actually, Amanar, I will take this delight to discuss all these things with you, and in fact, I think you cannot imagine my happiness that I have sold for phase 1 of my Wellington, and Wellington had been always special to us because it is a really different product for Pride World City.
This is the biggest launch and the
Yes.
The biggest project in the
Yes.
cluster of Pride World City.
Yes, because in terms of amenities, in terms of height of towers, in terms of the flat numbers, this is at this moment the biggest launch which we ever had in Pride World City. Because earlier we had Manhattan, which was only for 2 BHKs, but now we had come up with 2 and 3 BHKs in Wellington, and name itself signifies something which is really important. Wellington, you know that Wellington is capital of New Zealand, and why we chose that name? See, initially we started this project Pride World City with a vision that we will construct or we will settle a site where people will live world class of amenities and world class of facilities. So before Wellington also we had Kingsbury, we had Manhattan, and initially at the starting phase we had Long Island and Brooklyn. We have 450 acre of land here, and this comprises my whole township, and in 450 acre we have 14 different sectors.
Okay.
So as if now if you ask me, we are on verge of completing the 4th sector, because earlier we completed 3 sectors: Long Island, Brooklyn and Kingsbury and Notting Hill. You know that. I'm so happy to have you on board. So, and now in Wellington itself we are going to construct or build 1900 odd units. It is really huge number.
ये जो 110 प्लस एमिनिटीज,
Yes.
ये क्या है?
This childhood 2.0 will let us enjoy our childhood version 2, because in our childhood I guess we must have enjoyed kabaddi ka game and football and volleyball, kanche ka game, everything.
Yes.
So nowadays what I feel that today's kids are not so much
उनको तो पता भी नहीं होगा कि
पता भी नहीं है.
क्या है ऐसा?
Actually they don't even like to go in mud.
Yes, yes,
Understand?
yes.
And we are the people who have always gone to the field. We have played for so long cricket. सुबह निकलते थे, शाम को आते थे,
शाम को आते थे।
वो वाली चीज. So we want now that today's kid must enjoy and face or celebrate these amenities. And like kids also, we have few amenities for youngsters, for those professionals who are staying here in this scenario where companies are offering you to work from home, and sitting at home for 24 hours you definitely get bored. I understand that.
Yes.
And for that reason we are going to have this co-working lounge which will be soundproof. So these kind of amenities, and actually 110 plus activity wise amenities we are coming up here. So
great.
this is really amazing experience for us also.
So 2 questions.
Yes.
Suppose one want to invest
Yeah.
in your project. So why should he invest in your project?
investment, I will always used to say my customer, you have come to the right place. See, for investment point, I guess there are three major facts which play very important role. Your connectivity, your surrounding this development and employment, I guess. See, people are preferring nowadays कि आपका office कितना दूर घर से, and if I talk on that term, so we are aware Kharadi is only 11 km from my site, and Magarpatta is 14 km. Yerwada Copper Zone is
about the appreciation.
yes.
So I think you in Kingsbury, if I believe, then in 2 years it's appreciation more than 10 to 15%.
Yes, I can give you the example. Last year we sold 978 square feet wala flat in 73 lakhs. Now we are selling at 83 lakhs. So in 1 year of time
In 1
span,
year?
yes, in 1 year of time span, see, building
Actually,
a
the surrounding is also growing like
surround,
anything, right?
yes, it is growing, and I can always tell Pride World City is a major driving factor to for the development of surrounding, because we are developing 450 acre of land, and surrounding builders and other developers, you can say they are very much dependent on us, because we are going to construct mall, we are going to have
Yes.
this hospitals,
400
schools,
acre, which is
everything.
vast. 400
It is
vast.
really vast. It is a very long and big plan.
Yes.
So, and now, till now, we have touched 20% of that plan, and it is yet to go more. You understand that?
ठीक है, इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम समझ गए. अभी अगर एंड यूजर्स की बात
Yes.
करूं, तो व्हाई एंड यूजर बाय प्रॉपर्टी इन Pride World City and
So, I have a basic question to ask you. How do you like here once you enter the Pride World City? Just tell me.
it's entire a different world.
Yeah.
As with मतलब if you see the name Pride
Yes.
World City, then
Yes.
once you enter the city,
Yes.
once you enter through the gate, you see this entire different world.
Yes, different environment you can
Different
say. See, the environment, the nature which is surrounding my side now, this is one of the reason where this is stands as a charming factor. Matlab, people are liking these hills, the rainy seasons
Yeah,
here.
rainy season I have seen the views.
Yeah,
wonderful.
and in this 450 acre, I'm going to keep half of the land open for people where they can enjoy the amenities and other facilities.
How is the communication? Means, I believe PMC.
Yeah, we
bus are
already-
coming to,
PCMC bus terminus is going to come here because they have already
and
visited our
you
land.
you guys are constructing it. Right?
Yes, we will construct and hand it over to them. They will manage. In fact, we are developing all this infrastructure also, and ultimately we are going to hand over to the corporation only, because PCMC, I believe this is the one of the richest corporation in Asia, and they manage it very well. And so this is one of the factor where my site is on advantageous position. And if you ask about the connectivity, this ring road is very close to my site only. You have seen my model. This ring
yes.
road is touching my IT zone, this SEZ zone. So this ring road is going to connect my location to Hinjewadi directly, and this is very huge benefit for people who are working in Hinjewadi. So this I feel, in terms of investment, in terms of end users, this site is very much appropriate, and this is really good investment for everyone.
So thank you, Vikas.
Thank you so much, Amit, for being here. And I would like to say something like for my our viewers. This site is something where people are so happy, and you can always come and interact with our existing customers. You can always have that feel कि what kind of facilities we have provided so far. And that's all. Please visit us. Thank you so much.